The other day I was working on a YouTube video about AI and project management and how project managers could use AI. AI is like a junior PCO, really smart, hardworking, and so you send them off to do a task and they'll come back with a great result depending on, what the instructions were. Actually similar to a human that you sent away. Depending on the quality of your instructions as well as their capability, the results will vary. In all cases, you have to check the work. And so this tool is going to be used by everybody in their jobs, no matter what the job is. I encourage you to start learning about AI. It's very powerful. Really do some really cool things that would take a lot of research and manual effort to do, and now you can do it in minutes. What I did is I put together a handout for new project managers and how to start using AI. And what I did is I used AI to create it, and then I double checked it, and I fed it quite a detailed prompt with some error checking and use of references and so on. And I asked it for some links to some of the courses that are highly rated for learning AI, both in project management and AI in general. And what I did is I asked it to then check the links again, the links for those courses. And what I've told my clients and others is AI is like a really keen assistant, the best assistant you ever had, except in one regard. And that is they don't have experience. They can do deep research and come back with a bunch of answers and in some cases infer some things or appear to infer some things, but there's always a mistake. There's always mistakes. And you'd always find something to change, either just to improve or something that's wrong. And what I found with AI is it's exactly the same. And if you use the same or a similar paradigm, which is check the work before you publish it, before you send it out. And so I checked the handout. I had made multiple edits to it. And then as a last check, I tested all of the links. Even after I asked it to check and verify the links several times, it said, yep, they all came back great. There was 4 or 5 references to AI courses that are highly rated and good for beginners. And I think 2 were related to project managers. 3 of the 5 were wrong. And so my point is, even for something as simple as that, you would think that it should be able to get the link right. And it didn't. And so check the work. It's not there yet. And good luck.